Welcome students. In this video I am going to discuss miscellaneous exercise of chapter number 16 probability. First question is a box contains 10 red marbles, 20 blue marbles and 30 green marbles. 5 marbles are drawn from the box. Now what is the probability that all will be blue? The second part, at least one will be green. Now, first we count the total marbles. 10 red plus 20 blue plus 30. That means we have total 60 marbles. And for writing the total outcomes of sample space, here we are given 5 marbles are drawn from the box. So number of way of choosing 5 marbles from the 60 marble is 60C5. Now the first part, all will be blue. All marble will be blue if we draw the 5 marbles out of the 20 blue marbles. So the ways of drawing 5 blue marbles from 20 blue marbles will be 20C5. So probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes of sample space. The favorable are 20C5 divided by total outcome 60C5. Simplify this part and you will have your answer. The second part, probability at least one will be green. Now for solving the questions of type at least one, you will always do 1 minus probability. Here you have at least one will be green. This is probability 1 minus probability of no marble is green. Now other than green, we have 10 red plus 20 blue. That means other than green are 30 marbles. So here you have to select 5 from 30. So this is 1 minus 30C5 divided by the total outcomes of sample space. Now the total outcomes are 60C5. Again simplify this part and you will have your answer. Question number 2. 4 cards are drawn from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. Now what is the probability of obtaining 3 diamonds and 1 spade? Now we have to select 4 cards from the 52 cards, right? So the ways of drawing 4 cards from the 52 cards will be 52C4. Now this is the total outcome of your sample space. Now come to the favorable part. You have to find the probability of obtaining 3 diamonds and 1 spade. Now in a deck of 52 cards, there are total 13 diamond and 13 spade. So number of way of drawing 3 diamond and 1 spade will be 13. From 13 diamond you have to select 3. So this is 13C3 and means multiplication 1 spade from 13 spade. This is 13C1. So these are your favorable outcomes. So the probability will be 13C3 into 13C1 divided by the total outcome of sample space. Now the total outcome will be 52C4. Third question. A die has 2 faces each with the number 1. 3 faces each with the number 2 and 1 face with the number 3. If the die is rolled once, find the probability of getting 2. Second part, 1 or 3. The third part, not 3. First, write down the sample space. You have number 1 on 2 faces. So write here 1 2 times. 3 faces with the number 2. That means on 3 faces you are having number 2 and on 1 face number 3. So the total outcome of sample space will be 6. Now the first part, probability of getting 2. So the number of favorable outcomes are 3 divided by the total outcome 6. The second part, probability of getting 1 or 3. Or means union, apply the formula. On the same time or on the same face, you cannot have both 1 and 3. That means these two events are mutually exclusive. So probability of 1 intersection 3 will be 0. You are having number 1 on 2 faces, so probability will be 2 by 6. And number 3 is on the 1 face, so this is 1 by 6. So answer is 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. The third part, probability of getting not 3. Not 3 means 1 minus probability of getting 3. So this is 1 minus. The probability of 3 is 1 by 6. Answer is 5 by 6. Question number 4. In a certain lottery, 10,000 tickets are sold and 10 equal prizes are awarded. What is the probability of not getting a prize if you buy 1 ticket, 2 tickets and 10 tickets. Here the total tickets are 10,000, right? Number of lottery tickets are 10,000. Number of prizes are 10, because there are only 10 tickets which are having prizes, right? So the number of tickets which are not having any prizes will be 10,000 minus 10. So this is 9,990. Here you have to find the probability of not getting a prize. So that's why we have calculated the number of tickets which are not having any prize. The first part, you buy 1 ticket. So probability of not having a prize when you buy 1 ticket. Now these are your favorable. From these you have to select one ticket. So 9,990 C1 divided by 10,000 C1. As you know that the formula of NC1 is always N, or you can also apply the formula of combination. So this is your answer. 999 divided by 1000. The second part, the probability that you find 2 tickets, probability of not getting a prize if you buy 2 tickets. So this is 9,990 C2 divided by the total outcome of sample space. Now in sample space you have total 10,000 ticket. From that you have to select 2. Apply the formula, solve it and find your answer. Question number 5. This is very important question. Out of 100 students, 2 sections of 40 and 60 are formed. If you and your friend are among the 100 students, what is the probability that you both enter the same section, or you both enter enter the different section? Now the total student are 100. In first section you have to select 40. In second you have to select 60. The first case, you both enter the same section. That means either you are entering in section A, you and your friend, or to section B. Or means addition. Now if you both enter the section A, then we have 2 students, you and your friend are already for section A. That means now in section A we have to select total 40. From 40 we have 2 already there, right? That means now from 98 you have to select 38, and remaining student will be in the section B. Again, first you and your friend both enter the section A. That means from 100 we have 2 students which are already in section A. So that means 100 minus 2, 98. From 98 now you have to select 38 students for section A, divided by the total outcome of sample space, total 100, and from 100 for section A you have to select 40 students. The 60 students which are left, they will be automatically in the section B. Or means addition. You and your friends both enter the section B. Now from 100 we are having 2 students which are already in the section B, and in section B you have to select 60. 2 are already there. That means from 98 now you have to select 58. So this is 98 C58 divided by the total outcome of sample space. For section B, from 100 you have to select 60. So this is 100 C60. Apply the formula of combination. 98 factorial divided by 38 into 60. Here 100 factorial divided by 40 into 60 factorial. Again come to this part. 98 factorial divided by 58 factorial into 40 factorial divided by 100 factorial into 60 factorial into 40 factorial. Here this 60 factorial will be cancelled, and here 40. So rewrite them. Now this 100 factorial is 98 factorial into 99 into 100. 98 factorial will be cancelled, so you will have these two terms. And to this part, 40 factorial is 38 factorial into 39 into 40. 38 factorial will be cancelled, so you will have these two terms. Same for this part. Take LCM, simplify, and this is 17 by 33 is your answer. Now the second part, the probability you both enter the different section. There are only 2 cases in the sample space. Either you both enter the same or 2 different. That means these two are complement of each other. So you both enter the different section will be 1 minus probability. You both enter the same section. For same section, the probability is 17 by 33. So this is 1 minus 17 by 33. On taking LCM, this is 16 upon 33.